Ever felt like you've outgrown your existing life but don't yet know who it is that you're becoming? This channel is for overthinkers, it's for engineers' minds, it's for empaths, it's for people who are seeking a sense of inner calm through self-hypnosis, guided meditation, through shadow work, and through emotional healing. My sessions are here to help you quieten the inner noise, to meet the parts of you that perhaps you've been struggling against, and to rediscover a peace that was kind of always there. So you'll find guided hypnosis sessions, you'll find reflections on self-acceptance, you'll find some sprinklings of Stoic wisdom, and a gentle set of tools to transform stress or shame or conflict into clarity and confidence. My name's Christopher. I'm a hypnotherapist and a life coach. And I'm publishing new videos every Tuesday, podcasts every Monday. So if you're ready to stop fixing yourself and instead to invite a deeper alignment with yourself, then you're in the right place.